Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious shrimp recipe. Green shrimp aguachiles that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Shrimp aguachiles, these are my ingredients: salt, black pepper, coriander, cucumber, the small ones because those are nice and crunchy, red onion, 1 jalapeño, 2 garlic cloves, 4 chiles serranos, of course the juice of 5 lemons. We're going to need 1 cup of juice, and of course the star, the shrimp. This is everything you need to prepare the green shrimp aguachile. So let's get started. First things first is preparing the shrimp. The shrimp is nice and cleaned and deveined. I removed the skin and I removed the vein. And now let me show you step by step. We're going to cut it in butterfly and then cut it in half. So we're gonna get 4 pieces out of each shrimp. And I have 2 pounds. This is going to take time. But let me tell you, when you make this amazing recipe of green aguachiles, you're going to love it. After you have all your shrimp cut and deveined, cleaned, you're gonna put them in another container where they're nice and flat. And now I am going to slice my organic lemons from my garden. And of course, I'm going to get all the juice out of it. We need 1 cup to 1 cup and a half. You want to make sure that you cover all the shrimp. The shrimp is going to cook in the juices of the lemon. The acidity is going to really cook the shrimp. You're going to let them sit with the lemon juice for at least 45 minutes or up to 1 hour. You're going to notice the shrimp is going to change color, and that's when you know that the shrimp is really getting cooked with the lemon juice. My mouth is even watering. And now I'm ready to pour right on the top. You want to make sure that all the shrimp is completely covered and then just mix well. Remember, let it sit so the shrimp starts changing color. Look at this. Once you let them sit, then continue preparing the cucumber. I have the small cucumbers because these are really nice and crunchy. Remember to always remove the seeds. If you don't remove the seeds, when your aguachile is ready, it's going to create a lot of liquid. And that's exactly what you don't want. You really want to preserve the flavor of the lemon. And here I am going to dice all my cucumbers nice and small. Transfer them to a plate and then continue with the red onion. Do not skip the red onion. Of course, you could use any type of onion, white, red, or even the white one. But I love to add the red one because this is going to give it such a delicious and amazing color. And that's exactly what you want. You really want to pull it apart and then add it where you have your cucumber. Remember, slice it in half and then slice away. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing recipe, you're going to continue loving it. If you don't love spicy food, instead of adding 4 chiles serranos, just add 3 jalapeños. Now this is done. I'm going to continue waking up my 2 garlic cloves. Of course, the garlic cloves are going to go into the green sauce. But let me show you my 4 chiles serranos and of course 1 jalapeño. Like I told you, you don't like spicy food, omit the chile serrano. And now let me show you. I have everything ready. The shrimp is getting nice and pink. Remember, 45 minutes under the juices of the lemon. Salt, black pepper, the chilies, of course, the onion and the cucumber. And now I'm going to take away all the juices from the shrimp and I'm going to start preparing the green sauce. That's why it's called green aguachiles made with shrimp. Make sure you have everything ready. Add first your cilantro and then right on top the chilies and the garlic cloves. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste, beautiful family. And here, let's blend away until everything is really combined and this liquid is nice and green. And you don't see specks of the coriander. Look at this. That's exactly how you want it. Well, now I am ready to add the shrimp into the onion and cucumber. Look how pink this is. Nice and pink. That's when you know that the shrimp has been cooked completely with the juices of the lemon. Incorporate everything really good. Look at those beautiful colors. The green, the purple, the white, and the pink of the shrimp. This just looks amazing. Remember, the salt is to taste. How are you going to enjoy this amazing aguachile with a tostada? Well, now I'm ready to pour the amazing sauce right on the top. I want to make sure that I cover every single ingredient. Look at this. Once this is done, just incorporate one more time so that you make sure that everything is coated with this lemony green sauce. Look at this. Your mouth is watering. You want to really enjoy something delicious, healthy, amazing, and the best thing, it's made at home with lots and lots of love. Well, once this is done, I am ready to plate it. I am ready to enjoy it. And how am I going to enjoy this amazing shrimp green aguachile in a tostada? Look at this. Like, subscribe, and share. And remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Thank you so much for being here. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing green shrimp aguachiles. Of course, made at home with lots and lots of love. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. The flavors are just delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing green shrimp aguachile, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing tostada filled with the green shrimp aguachile. See you soon. Bye-bye.